Okay, Whetstone's network. Whetstone's network. Whetstone network is also called as Whetstone's bridge. Okay, it is called as Whetstone's bridge, which is invented by a Dutch physicist Charles Whetstone. Okay, so this network is developed by Charles Whetstone, and this is a very important element of any measuring instrument. If electronic measuring instruments are there, in that case, Whetstone network is most commonly used. So for Whetstone network is used for temperature measurement, mass measurement, weight measurement, torque measurement, force measurement, pressure measurement. Okay, in many instruments, this Whetstone network is used. Now, what is this Whetstone network? This Whetstone network consists of 4 resistors. इस Whetstone network में क्या रहता है? 4 resistors रहते हैं. Okay, these are the 4 resistors. These 4 resistors are connected so as to form a quadrilateral A, B, C, and D. 4 resistors are R1, R2, R3, and R4. Okay, R3 and R4. R3 can be taken to left hand side and R4 can be taken to the right hand side. So 4 resistors are connected so as to form a quadrilateral. Four resistors are connected so as to form a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. Now, this is the basically Whetstone network. यालाच Whetstone network असं म्हणायचं. म्हणजे 4 रेजिस्टर घ्यायचे आणि ते एक क्वाड्रिलॅटरल तयार होईल अशा प्रकारे जोडायचं. ठीक आहे. आता तुम्ही म्हणणार याच्यामध्ये काय एवढं जास्त इम्पॉर्टंट आहे? तर हे दिसताना 4 रेजिस्टर एक चौकोन तयार होईल असे जोडलेले आहेत. याच्यामध्ये काय अवघड गोष्ट आहे, परंतु हे कशासाठी वापरू शकतो, याचा यूज कसा करू शकतो, हे खूप मोठं थिंकिंग आहे, ग्रेट थिंकिंग आहे, जे फक्त Whetstoneला सुचलं, बाकी कुणालाही सुचलं नाही. आणि त्याच्यामुळे हे Whetstone नेटवर्क जे आहे ते खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, लक्षात. ओके, फॉर फंक्शनिंग ऑफ दिस Whetstone नेटवर्क, या Whetstone नेटवर्कचं फंक्शनिंग साठी काय केलेलं आहे लक्षात घ्या. अ गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटर इज connected. Galvanometer, it is a current measuring device. Okay, it is connected between points B and D, and a battery is connected between point A and C. Okay, positive terminal, negative terminal. Galvanometer is connected between diagonally opposite point B and D, and a cell of certain voltage is connected across point A and C. Now, last time I have told you that this R1 and R2, these 2 resistors or these 2 sides are called as ratio arms. Okay, so sides AB and BC are called as a ratio arm. Okay, AB और BC को हम क्या बोलते हैं? रेशियो आर्म बोलते हैं. और AC and BD, okay, this AC and BD, इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? AC और BD को कॉन्जुगेट आर्म्स बोलते हैं. ओके, साइड्स AC and BD are AC and BD. These are not actually sides. Okay, side, these diagonals, diagonal AD and BC are called as conjugate arms. Okay, these are conjugate arms, ratio arms and conjugate arms. Why this AC and BD are called as conjugate arms? Because initially what is done, between A and C battery is connected and between B and D galvanometer is connected initially. Okay, if we interchange this, okay, हमने अगर ये interchange किया, मतलब बैटरी के जगह, मतलब AC में गैल्वानोमीटर लगाया और BD में बैटरी लगाया, तो सर्किट के वर्किंग में कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Okay, it works as it is, no change in the working, and therefore they are called as conjugate arms. Okay, Now in Whetstone network there is a one very important condition, okay, and that very important condition is balancing condition. बॅलन्सिंग कंडिशन. Whetstone नेटवर्क मध्ये एक बॅलन्सिंग कंडिशन नावाची कंडिशन असते. ओके, आता ही बॅलन्सिंग कंडिशन काय आहे किंवा Whetstone नेटवर्क बॅलन्स्ड कंडिशन मध्ये आहे असं आपण कधी म्हणणार. ओके, when IG is equal to 0. ओके, बोर्ड एक्झाम मध्ये जर 1 मार्काला क्वेश्चन विचारला की बॅलन्सिंग कंडिशन म्हणजे काय, तर त्याचं करेक्ट आन्सर काय येणार आहे, when galvanometer shows 0 deflection or when current does not flow along path BD path ला करंट जर फ्लो होत नसेल तर त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं, Whetstone नेटवर्क बॅलन्स्ड कंडिशन मध्ये आहे असं म्हटलं जातं. Whetstone नेटवर्क इज इन बॅलन्स्ड कंडिशन when IG is equal to 0 गॅलॉन. जे डिफरंट वे न म्हणू शकतो की करंट थ्रू गॅलॉनमीटर 0 किंवा गॅलॉनमीटर शोज 0 डिफ्लेक्शन, नो करंट फ्लोज अलॉंग पाथ BD किंवा पॉइंट B and D पॉइंट्स आर इक्विपोटेन्शियल पॉइंट्स. हे डिफरंट टर्म्स त्याला म्हणू शकतो आपण. B आणि D इक्विपोटेन्शियल झाले, सेम पोटेन्शियलला झाले तर करंट फ्लो होत नाही, कारण करंट फ्लो होण्यासाठी 2 पॉइंट हे डिफरंट पोटेन्शियलला लागतात, बरोबर ना. हे असं जर झालं तर काय होणार आहे, Whetstone नेटवर्क जो आहे तो बॅलन्स्ड कंडिशन मध्ये आहे असं म्हटलं जातं. ओके, आता हे बॅलन्सिंग कंडिशन कशी मिळवायची, हाउ टू गेट बैलेंसिंग कंडीशन ऑफ द Whetstone नेटवर्क. अभी उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, R1, R2, R3 और R4 ये 4 रजिस्टर जो है उसको सर्टन रेशियो में रखना पड़ेगा. ओके, देयर शुड बी सर्टन रेशियो ऑफ R1, R2, R3 and R4 and then only we can get the balancing condition. Okay, so what is that ratio? So for that we are going to do one derivation. Okay, so derivation is like this. Derivation is like this. Now let's derive formula for balancing condition. Okay, formula for balancing condition, expression for balancing condition, expression for balancing condition, expression for balancing condition. Okay, so this is to be obtained, expression for balancing condition. Expression for balancing condition. Once again I am going to draw diagram here. Okay, so this is R1, this is R2, this is R3 and this is R4 and this is galvanometer resistance. So this galvanometer also has some resistance. So current through R1 is suppose I1. Suppose direction of the current is like this. Direction of current is like this. So current is suppose flowing like this. Current is flowing like this. Current flow like this. Suppose I1 is the current through R1. I2 is the current through R2. Okay. Then I3 is current through R3 and I4 is current through I4. Also suppose there is some current through galvanometer IG. Okay, so अभी हमने इधर सभी करंट लिखा है I1, I2, I3, I4 एंड IG, ये करंट है. और इस लूप को भी नाम देते हैं ABCD. अभी क्या करना है, इनिशियली बैलेंसिंग कंडीशन ऑब्टेन करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, अभी B पॉइंट को पहले KCL लगाते हैं. ओके, सो बाय अप्लाइंग KCL एट B, by applying Kirchhoff's current law at point B, KCL एट पॉइंट बी लगाते हैं। KCL एट पॉइंट बी लगाने के बाद इक्वेशन क्या आ जाएगा? इक्वेशन विल बी at any junction algebraic sum of all the currents will be equal to 0. So I1, okay, so I1, I2, IG, okay, related to point B, 3 current hai I1, I2, IG. So sum of all this current will be equal to 0. Now incoming is I1, therefore plus. I2 is outgoing, it is moving away from junction B, and therefore it is minus. And IG is also moving away from B. You can see in the diagram. Okay, so IG will be minus. मी तिन्ही लँग्वेज वापरणार आहे, मराठी, हिंदी आणि इंग्लिश. ओके, हा. Now in balancing condition, what is going to happen? IG is equal to 0. Okay, but IG is equal to 0, and therefore I1 is equal to I2. So this is the first equation I am getting. I1 is equal to I2. After that, by applying KCL at point D, by applying KCL, Kirchhoff's current law, at junction D. अभी D की जगह KCL लगाया तो क्या हो जाएगा? इधर भी जंक्शन D को 3 करंट है, I3, IG and I4. Sum of all this current will be equal to 0. Now I3 is incoming and therefore it is plus. IG is also incoming to D. Okay, so it is also plus, and I4 is outgoing from the D, so it is minus. Okay, and once again in balancing condition, what is going to happen? IG is equal to 0, and therefore I3 is equal to I4. So this is the second equation. ये बोर्ड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डेरिवेशन है स्टेट बोर्ड के लिए. ओके, सो मेनी टाइम इट हैज बीन आस्क्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन. I1 is equal to I2, I3 is equal to I4. So this is equation 1, equation 2. Next काय करायचं आहे आता? KVL अप्लाय करायचं आहे. KVL is to be applied. Okay, by applying Kirchhoff's voltage law, KVL, to ABDA. आता मूव्ह कसं करायचं? A to B जायचं, B to D जायचं, D to A जायचं आहे, आणि त्या पाथवरचे जे EMF आणि व्होल्टेज असतील ते लिहायचे आहेत, आणि प्लस मायनस जे काय असेल ते लिहायचं आहे A to B च्या मध्ये. ओके, बिटवीन A to B there is first PD, that is I1 R1, whether it is plus or minus I1 R1 A to B, it is minus. Okay, next B to D, I am going from B to D, their current is IG and resistance is capital G. So IG into G is the PD, whether it is plus or minus IG into G, minus. And next is D to A. Between D to A current कितना है? I3, resistance कितना है? R3. So I3 R3, and sign will be plus, and sum of all EMF or PD is equal to 0 along any closed loop. So this is the KVL. Once again IG is equal to 0, so middle term is going to be 0, and therefore what is going to happen here? I1 R1 is equal to I3 R3. So this is equation number 3. Equation number 3. अभी फिर एक बार KVL लगाना है, Kirchhoff's voltage law, and you will get the answer. Kirchhoff's voltage law. Now by KVL in next loop, that is BCDB, in loop BCDB. Okay, first of all we are going to move from B to C. It is I2 R2, plus or minus I2 R2, माइनस. ओके, नेक्स्ट C2D. C2D में क्या है? I4R4 है, I4R4 एंड इट इज प्लस, करेक्ट. और उसके बाद D2B जाना है, so IG into G, so it is plus. So sum of all this is going to be 0. Okay, once again in balancing condition IG is equal to 0 and therefore I2R2 is equal to I4R4. So this is the fourth equation. Okay. So equation 3 divided by equation 4. Equation 3 divided by equation 4 क्या हो जाएगा? I1R1 divided by I2R2, okay, is equal to I3R3 divided by I4R4. Okay, I1R1 by I2R2 is equal to I3R3 by I4R4. This is equation 3 divided by 4. But I1 is equal to I2 and therefore I1, I2 get cancelled, and I3 is equal to I4. This also get cancelled, and therefore to get Wheatstone network in balanced condition, resistances should be like this. That is R1 by R2 must be equal to R3 by R4. Then only IG is equal to 0 and Wheatstone network will be in balanced condition. Okay, इसमें कोई डाउट है तो पूछो. Any doubt in this case? हाँ, हुशार आहात सगळे, त्याच्यामुळे डाऊट यायचे काय, एकदा शिकवल्यानंतर कळते व्यवस्थित सगळं. हा, आता याच्यावर काही क्वेश्चन विचारणार आहे मी. Whether this network is balanced condition or not. हे Wheatstone network जे आहे ते balanced आहे का? बॅलन्स्ड आहे का? यस, बिकॉज रेशो बघा 10/20 हा रेशो किती येणार आहे? 10/20 म्हणजे 1/2 येणार. 3/4 हा रेशो किती देतो? 3/6 मतलब 1/2, and therefore R1 by R2 is equal to R3 by R4, and therefore this is a balanced network. Is it balanced? Next balance. Next balance आहे का? Yes, once again it is balanced network. Now answer this question. 4 resistors P, Q, R and S are connected one after another. That is in bracket series to form Whetstone network. P is equal to 10, Q is equal to 20, R is